Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your voice on the Discord mobile app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this on the Discord mobile app, we are going to rely on a certain app. So first you want to press onto the Play Store to open it up. And then you want to press onto search in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then press onto the search box above and type in voice changer and press enter. And here we have some voice changing apps. I'm gonna choose this one, which is named Voice Changer Voice Effects, and press on it. And then you wanna press onto the install button and wait for it to be installed. And once it's done, you can go ahead and press onto open. So here we are inside the app. Here I have different options, but I'm gonna press onto this record and change one, which is the purple button. And now here you want to press onto the record audio button and start recording your message. So I'm going to say something now. Hello, I'm using a voice changer right now. After that, press again to stop recording. And now it's going to take you to this page. And here you can choose to what voice you want to change your audio into. So after you test from these different options, you make sure of your choice. You can go ahead and press onto the save button on the bottom right. And once you do, it's gonna take you to this page. And here you wanna press onto the share button and then press onto more. And then from here, you wanna look for the Discord app. So I have it right here. I'm gonna tap on it. It's gonna open up the Discord app and then it's gonna ask you to choose a chat room to send it over. So press onto your chosen chat room and you can add a comment if you press onto the space next to the pencil icon up here. However, I'm gonna skip that and press onto the arrow in the top right hand corner of the screen and send it over directly. And here you have it. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.